You've got two heavy grocery bags in both hands. You look at the front steps and for a split second, you think,
can I carry them up all in one go? My legs don't feel as powerful as they used to.
Don't assume it's just age. Your muscles, joints, and bones need the right support to stay strong. I've put together a list of 10 foods you can easily include in your meals to help build stronger, sturdier legs. I'm Dr. Hanz. As a physician, I look at the bigger picture because strong legs aren't just about having bigger muscles. They help you maintain balance, support a healthier metabolism, and give you the energy to keep doing the things you love. The best part, you don't need a complicated plan. I'll show you the 10 foods that support the 4 systems your legs need to stay strong. Let's start with the muscle builders. Every step you take creates tiny amounts of stress inside your muscle fibers. Your body repairs those fibers and makes them stronger. But as we get older, that rebuilding process becomes less efficient. That's why protein becomes so important. These foods provide the essential amino acids your muscles need for repair. Number 1, Greek yogurt. It's one of my favorites because it's convenient, packed with protein, and incredibly easy to add to your daily routine. You can combine it with berries, nuts, or even some of the other foods we'll talk about today. Number 2, eggs. They provide complete protein along with nutrients like choline and vitamin B12 that support muscle function and nerve communication. Number 3, lean meat. Choices like chicken, turkey, flank steak, tenderloin, or extra lean ground beef can absolutely fit into a healthy diet. The key is balance. You're giving your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild. Now, strong muscles are only useful if your joints can support them. That's where your next group of foods comes in. Vitamin C-rich foods. Your body uses vitamin C to produce collagen, protein that helps maintain the cushioning and structure around your joints. Your hips, knees, and ankles take thousands of steps every day. They need support. One of the best sources? Number 4, bell peppers, especially red and yellow bell peppers, which are among the richest sources of vitamin C. But if you get tired of eating peppers every day, switch things up. Try number 5, strawberries. Fold them into your morning oats. Or why not? Number 6, papaya. Add a few slices to yogurt. Rotating options keeps you on a plan you can sustain and keeps you interested. Next up, what else do muscles need? Fuel. Even if you have strong muscle tissue, it needs a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to perform. That brings us to foods that improve oxygen delivery. Number 7, leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and lettuce contain natural compounds called nitrates. Your body converts these into nitric oxide, which helps improve blood vessel function and circulation. They help your body deliver oxygen where it's needed. Better oxygen delivery can support muscle performance and endurance. We have other great alternatives too. Number 8, root vegetables. This includes beets, carrots, parsnips, and sweet potatoes. They also contain nitrates along with minerals like potassium and magnesium that support muscle function. For someone who wants to keep walking, exercising, or traveling, these foods can be valuable additions. There's one final piece that holds everything together: the bones. Your muscles may move your body, but your bones provide the structure that carries the weight. The next foods are crucial to keeping them in top condition. Number 9, fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide high-quality protein to support muscle repair. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help support your body's healthy inflammatory response. And many fatty fish are excellent sources of vitamin D, a nutrient involved in bone health and muscle function. Maintaining strong bones isn't just about preventing fractures, it's about being stable as you move. And finally, don't forget about plant-based heavyweights. Number 10, beans and lentils. These foods provide a combination of plant protein, fiber, slow digesting carbohydrates, and electrolyte minerals like magnesium and potassium. They help provide steady energy for workouts and other daily activities. Quick tip: focus on eating a variety of plant proteins and adequate complementary grains throughout the day to provide your body with all the essential amino acids it needs to form a complete protein. Now, before you run to the grocery store, remember a few important things. First, choose high-quality sources that fit your budget and lifestyle. Second, learn proper preparation, storage, and the healthiest cooking methods for the foods you eat. And keep yourself informed about food-related news, including recalls and emerging safety concerns. Third, and most importantly, always talk with your doctor before making major changes to your diet. Make small, intentional choices today that help you stay active and energetic for decades to come. I'm Dr. Hanz. As always, remain strong and protect your staying power. I'll see you in the next one.